This T-fal Professional VX3 fry pan is a 12-inch skillet. It's black and has a stainless steel handle. The inside is nonstick. This makes cooking and cleaning easier. You can use it in the oven or broiler up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It's designed for restaurants and businesses. It's also good for home use. The pan is certified by NSF and CBA. This means it meets certain safety and quality standards. You can cook many different foods in it. It is a good addition to your cookware. It does not replace bakeware. You should read the info on the packaging. It will give you the best way to care for the pan. The capability of this pan is good for daily cooking. The non-stick surface is important. It helps food slide out easily. You won't need as much oil. This is good for healthier cooking. The stainless steel handle is strong. It feels sturdy when you hold it. The 12-inch size is big enough for most meals. You can cook for a family. It's also good for cooking single meals. You can find rates for this product online. You can compare prices. Consider the returns policy before you buy it. You will want to keep the receipt for any potential returns. The pan fits well in the cupboard. It is a basic design, not a fashion item. It is more about function than looks. You can use it to cook many types of ingredient. Cleaning the pan is simple. You can wash it with soap and water. It is not always dishwasher safe. Check the instructions. The pan heats up evenly. This means your food cooks well. It prevents hot spots. It is a useful tool. This is a good compra. The pan is not very heavy. It is easy to move around. It is a basic pan. It has no special features. It is a good choice for everyday cooking. Pros: best non-stick, heavy and sturdy, heats evenly, easy clean up, great quality, fair price. Durable, oven safe, good balance, heavy duty handle, lasting quality features. T-fal brand, Professional VX3 brushed nonstick, stainless steel handle 12-inch size. Oven, broiler safe 400F maximum heat, fry pan, skillet, restaurant, business grade, NSF certified. The T-fal Professional VX3 is a 12-inch frying pan designed for tough cooking. It has a non-stick surface, a stainless steel handle, and is safe for oven and broiler use up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Made for restaurants and businesses. It's also certified by NSF, meaning it meets certain safety and quality standards. The T-fal Professional VX3 is a 12-inch frying pan that is known for its good non-stick surface. It's built to be heavy and strong, so it heats food evenly. Cleaning it is simple, and it's considered to be of high quality for a reasonable price. This pan is durable and can be used in the oven up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It has a heavy-duty handle and is designed to last a long time.